Hello and welcome. This is Clay from Tokers, and I just want to do a quick overview of the website just to kind of help you out navigate the website so you know where to find what you're looking for. So basically, on the front page here, we got the newest products that we have. Of course, this is not all the products, but this is just the first 9 products that you see here. It's very simple navigation. You just clicked on any item, takes you to the description page, and get you the information there. You can add to cart here, read any other reviews here, and again, there's additional links to other products and things like that. You can also go to the products tab here and click a category. There's really only 3 categories that most people use. It's the starter kits, the accessories, and the filter refills. Talk about the accessories real quick. If you go over into the accessories, you'll find all the chargers, the atomizers, the batteries, things like that, adapters, and stuff like that. It's pretty much all in the accessories. And if you go over to the refills, this is where a lot of people get mixed up. The photos look very similar, but these are all different refill filters for different atomizers. We do have some people ordering the wrong filters for the wrong atomizers, and we try to correct it before it's shipped, just because we know what you carry. So we'll try to remind you. But yeah, make sure you're ordering the right ones. Obviously, the ones people get mixed up with a lot is the fatty filters and the fat fatty filters. The fat fatty is the bigger atomizer, and the fatty, it's just the plain fatty, is the normal atomizer filters that you would get with the kit. And of course, the fat fatty is the new bigger atomizer. You can also find a lot of information if you have questions. If you have any questions, just email support@vaportokers.com. We reply pretty quickly to you. That'd probably be the fastest way. You can always call, but we see that people get their responses quicker through the email system. You can also go to the frequently asked questions here. It takes you to our info site, which is vaportokers.info. And there's a lot of good information here, a lot of good links, articles, things you can read about. And if there's anything there that you can't find, please email support and just say, hey, I was trying to find this out and I couldn't find it, because maybe it's something that we know of or have and we just need to add it. So we're also looking for feedback and input. So just give us an email, say, hey, you might want to add this, and then we appreciate it, because you're not only helping us out, but you're helping all the your fellow customers out also. But this is a good place to go. A lot of good information about e-cigs and questions that people always have. These things do have a little bit of learning curve on them, and just get yourself educated a little bit, and it should be good from there. So go ahead and visit vaportokers.info if you have any other questions, and of course you can email support@vaportokers.com. Another thing I want to cover is the juices. We do have some juice specials, and we're always working to improve the site. So there's a lot of a few bugs here and there. So we appreciate the feedback, and we do take your feedback seriously so that we can make adjustments and make your experience better. Okay, so here's the juice page, a little description, give you some information about it. It's kind of a lot there, but we're just trying to educate everybody on these things and make sure they know what they're getting into and how to use them. So if you want to get multiple bottles, the best way is to order a special. A lot of people think if you order a special, you only can order one flavor and one nicotine level, but that's not true. You can mix it up if you want. So every time we see orders of people ordering 4 bottles, all 1 bottle at a time, and it costs more. So we help them out. We give them the discount they would have had if they ordered a special. So we just want to add this in here just to explain it. So if you select any of these specials, it's 2 bottle, 3 bottle, 5 bottle. That's how you get it. At the lowest price you can get it is $7, and that's with the 5 bottle special. So you would select 5 bottle special. You can select any flavor at this point. It doesn't matter which one you select. If you want 5 of one flavor, go ahead and select that flavor. But if you're gonna request multiple different flavors, then just select one of them, you know, and then just add it. And then I'll show you where you would know. Let's see. So then it would look like this, one 5 bottle special with the flavor you added, and then when you go to checkout, there's actually a big big comment box, and in that comment box, you just want to list. I'll take 2 mint, 18 milligram. I'll take one coffee, 11 milligram, and I want one blueberry 0 milligram, something like that. And then we go by the notes, and that's kind of how you can get different flavors and stuff and still get the special. So don't think you have to get the same flavor and nicotine level if you get a bottle special. So we just wanted to make sure you knew that, so that way you don't order 5 separate bottles and get charged more for that. But for the most part, that's pretty much a lot of the trends that we see. So I just wanted to make this video about the website real quick, show you those things, just so that you know where to go and how to use it if you get questions. Once you just after you select a product, look at the description. You can add it to the cart. And just one more thing I want to cover, because a lot of people do this too, is if you want multiple of these, you can change this number to another number, but you still have to hit update here. A lot of people will change a number and hit checkout, and then it'll go back to just one. So anytime you make a change, whether it's removing it or adding a different quantity, go ahead and click update like this, and make sure it reflects in it correctly for like that. Then click the checkout, or continue shopping or whatnot, and then it shows your shopping cart information here. And obviously you can also go up here to contents and see what's in your shopping cart. The contact us page is pretty simple, self-explanatory. Just put in your name, email address, and then a message, and we get that email and we respond to it fairly quickly. So if you have a question or you want to update your order or any kind of thing like that, this really is the best avenue, and you'll get response a lot quicker than even calling the number and leaving a message if we're busy. We get pretty busy during the daytime, so you might find having to leave messages. And we know how that is. But that's basically the website. Is very simple, similar to most websites. So please go visit the vaportokers.info if you have questions. We are slowly but surely adding videos. We have a few new videos up there on the fatty. We had our original Toker 1 videos. They're almost about 2 years old, so they're a little outdated, and we're working on new ones. We make them impromptu videos. We don't do any fancy video work. We don't want people to think there's some kind of camera trick on the vapor or any kind of performance enhancing or anything like that. So we like to make our videos very basic, not planned out, just straight to the point. Here, this is what it comes with. This is how it works, and we get a lot of feedback from people that way. They kind of like to see that. I mean, we know it'd be a lot more professional to have some fancy videos, but we like to have our customers see that it is what it is, and you get what you get, kind of thing, and there's no camera trick or anything like that. So appreciate you spending time watching this video. If there's any questions or things that I missed, I just wanted to take the time to highlight some of the things that we see, just to help people out using the website. But that's it for this video.